Join me as I dive into the complexities of the Medicaid 5-year penalty rule and see if I can break it down in just 10 minutes. The Medicaid 5-year penalty rule is a crucial concept for anyone planning for healthcare and financial security, especially as we age. It can significantly impact your ability to qualify for Medicaid and ensure you get the care you need without depleting your life savings. Navigating Medicaid eligibility can be a maze, and the 5-year penalty rule adds another layer of complexity. Imagine you've worked hard your entire life, saved for retirement, and then need long-term care. The last thing you want is to see your assets disappear due to misunderstandings about Medicaid rules. Many people find themselves in a tough spot, not realizing that certain financial transactions can lead to penalties. These penalties can be severe and might even disqualify you from Medicaid for a significant period. The rule looks back at your financial transactions over the past 5 years to determine if you've made any that could be considered gifts or attempts to hide assets. Gifts to family members, transferring assets to trusts, or even selling property for less than its value can trigger these penalties. Understanding what transactions might trigger a penalty is key to effective asset planning. You want to ensure that your hard-earned assets are protected and that you can qualify for the care you need. The look-back penalty is based on the total amount of ineligible transfers and the average private patient rate for nursing home care in your state. This average rate is also known as the penalty divisor. The Medicaid look-back penalty is calculated by taking the total of the ineligible transfers and dividing that by the penalty divisor. The result is the number of months that the senior is excluded from receiving Medicaid payments for their long-term care. Asset planning isn't just about moving money around. It's about securing your financial future and ensuring you have the resources for long-term care. By being proactive and understanding the rules, you can make informed decisions that protect your assets and your legacy. This involves looking at your financial situation, understanding the potential risks, and making smart choices. Let's look at a real-life example. Meet Jane, who needed long-term care for her elderly mother. In a hurry to help, Jane transferred a significant portion of her mother's assets to her own account. What Jane didn't realize was that this action would trigger a penalty, disqualifying her mother from Medicaid for over a year. This not only caused financial strain but also immense emotional stress during an already difficult time. Jane's situation highlights the importance of understanding the rule before making financial decisions. The emotional toll of dealing with the aftermath of such penalties can't be overstated. Families often find themselves torn between helping their loved ones and protecting their financial stability. This is why knowledge is power. By understanding the Medicaid 5-year penalty rule, you can avoid similar pitfalls and ensure that your loved ones receive the care they need without unnecessary financial burdens. To recap, the Medicaid 5-year penalty rule is a critical component of Medicaid planning. It looks back at your financial history to ensure you're not gaming the system. Understanding this rule can save you from financial hardship and ensure you get the care you need. It's about planning smart, not just planning ahead. If you've got questions about the Medicaid 5-year penalty rule or have experienced its impact firsthand, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories and answer any questions you might have. Also, check out our other videos on Medicaid planning and financial strategies to help you navigate these complex topics with confidence. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.